Yep. Alright, here's what we got. It's been 3 weeks since my last video, and I finally had some time to do some work to my car. I've made a concerted effort to make all of this one straight plane. And I've got multiple layers of fiberglass, short, whatever the hell it is. Bondo, not Bondo, but fiberglass, this stuff. Short strand fiberglass. And I have multiple layers of brandy in me, and so I'm in a really good mood. And I have evened out this entire thing before, and I freaking wish I'd done some some before and after pictures. This entire area here was very, very low, and so I put layer upon layer upon layer upon layer. Let it cure some more, let it cure again, and I'll let it cure overnight, maybe with my little that thing and space heater, and let it cure until I can really just sand it down. I have been using this. I'm so fucking clever. As a as a piece of as a sander. What this is a 1.5 meter, 1.25 meter. All right, but maybe 4 feet worth of 2x4, to which I have put a piece of self-adhesive sandpaper. This stuff. Yeah, so that comes off, that goes on there, and that ensures that entire plane is nice and straight. So I've worked that and worked that and worked that. I've got about 4 piles of that I've already gone and done with. And so once I mate that sucker to that sucker, it'll be a nice and straight and easygoing, no problem kind of a deal. I know this looks kind of messy here, but in reality, this is a layer of metal, and it looks like it's an uneven surface. It's actually not. It looks pretty good. It feels pretty good, rather. It looks like hell, but it's a very smooth thing. So what I have left, whenever you have something like this, and you've got, let's see, where's my, this is not a good substrate to making a nice, flat, even, perfect seal, perfect surface kind of a substrate. When you go to paint, this equals waves and imperfections in the paint that you won't see until the sun hits. So what I'll do is put a layer of Bondo. Once all this cures, I will use one of my my straight boards and something like that maybe, and I'll make this nice and perfectly smooth. Underneath, it looks not too awfully bad. I got a few things to kind of smooth out. There's an area to smooth out. And some more area to smooth out, and there you go. That needs to dry up a little bit. Some area to, obviously repaint, or reprime, but in all, I've got, maybe 4 hours into, 4 hours into my, my straight edgeification. That looks like a really bad divot, but it's not. That's just, god damn it, metal versus some paint, some primer, versus this fiberglass stuff I'm using. So I have another hour or two to kind of smooth all this out. And between this, that looks kind of bad too. Let me see if I can fix that. God damn, I'm dusty. My head's full of dust. Between this and that will be a bead of, fender welt, and it'll be, god dang it, chrome stuff. It'll look nice, real nice. And I'll have an oil cooler hanging down from this, and a couple of other things. So, like I say, some work still left to do. What is that? Yeah, definitely some work still left to do. I'm really happy with this product I'm using. It cures goddamn quick. Very, very quick. Maybe I add too much hardener to it, but boy, that stuff is nice. I've got maybe a 20th of a can left, just a few more things, and it'll be dead. And I'll probably do that tomorrow. Next up is the actual grill itself. I'm likely to go with kind of kidney, whatever the hell it is, shape there. Yeah. So I'll be cutting that out tomorrow and doing the next step. So cool. Yeah.